Simple techniques to quiet your nightly snoring. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, so why doesn't he do something about it? That song was written in the days before effective treatments for snoring, but today there is such a variety of options that it would be silly to just ignore your problem. Read on to find some tips to help you beat the snoring demon once and for all. Smoking causes your throat to swell, which in turn causes you to snore at night. One good way to prevent snoring is to stop smoking now. Try a smoking cessation class, over-the-counter nicotine patches or a prescription medication from your doctor. You will not only improve your health and prevent lung cancer, but you will sleep better at night. If you are finding that snoring is being an issue to you, have a look at the scales and see if you are currently overweight. If you are carrying excess weight, then you need to look at getting rid of it so that you can relieve the pressure which is being put on your airways. To stop snoring, you should first look at your pillows. Many people fail to realize that proper support from pillows can impact whether you snore or not. Elevating the head can help keep your airway open to reduce and prevent snoring. This is a very simple and easy way to help snoring. One trick that many spouses have learned when they have to sleep with a snorer is to nudge them until they turn over on their side. The change in position will often alleviate the problem, at least temporarily. While it is no fun to have to constantly nudge your spouse, sometimes that is the only way you can get to sleep. Don't eat dairy products before bed. Dairy products can be a major contributor to your snoring problem. While they may be fine to consume during the day, consuming milk, yogurts, and even ice cream before you go to bed can cause a buildup of mucus. Mucus clogs your air passages and you snore as a result. This video has laid out many simple, effective and affordable options for treating snoring which anyone can get access to. It can be as simple as losing weight or possibly having to buy a CPAP machine, but no matter what, you may be able to find something which works for you if you try out these tips. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.